The best feature of the course for me is the practical elements, as we have access to a variety of different cameras, sound equipment, lighting that we have access to for the full 3 years.
The best feature of the course for me is probably the screenwriting elements. I'm really into storytelling and writing, so it's been good to work with the tutors and kind of hone that skill and figure out like the templates and the design of it all. Some of our tutors are screenwriters for television shows, so they have first-hand experience.
My favourite module was Black American cinema because the theoretical side was really interesting. We also had trips to museums where we were able to see firsthand what we've been discussing.
My favourite module was probably European cinema, as it allowed me to kind of branch out and widen my taste for cinema and find some of my now favourite films that I maybe wouldn't have watched on my own. I was introduced to just looking for more cinema. Our tutors got us into like different like Greek weird wave and different like French kind of realist films, and yeah, and now I'm doing my dissertation on Celine Sciamma through that.
In final year is dissertation and the final film production. We get access to all the equipment to make the longest film yet. It'll be 15 minutes. As well as that, I'm writing my dissertation, which you get free rein on what topic you want to do it on.
My dissertation, I'm doing it on, it's kind of like feminism and gender from French director Celine Sciamma. So I'm looking at the way that she portrays everything and then French cinema as a whole and just kind of like placing it in. And I've got like really good tutelage from my dissertation supervisor because she was actually my European cinema lecturer. So yeah, it's really good. For my final year film, we're making a 15-minute drama about a mother and a daughter and just kind of like an open conversation of their relationship. And I'm working with 6 of my peers, so we've all got kind of a role to fit into. I'm directing, we've got someone on sound, lighting, camera, locations. So it's fun and it's a lot of teamwork. You get to like collab and learn practical skills. So once I graduate this year, I'm currently looking into maybe doing a master's in screenwriting at some point. But then outside of education, I would like to get into writers' rooms and just writing for TV, movies, anything I can kind of get my hands on.
Once I finish, I want to look at working within the industry, ideally cameras, as that's my main interest. So I don't know, maybe doing some freelancing or picking up some part-time work and then working my way up to something bigger, hopefully.